Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I am so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about some by me products. This video is in collaboration with Stylevana. If you haven't already heard about Stylevana, they are a Asian beauty and fashion website. I love purchasing Korean beauty products from them. I've also ordered some accessories like jewelry in the past, and I loved all of those as well. But what I love the most about Stylevana is a lot of the products are almost always on sale, usually cheaper than any other website, which is so amazing. And they are also giving me a coupon code, which you can use to save additional money off. So you can use my code INF10 Padee to save some money at checkout. I do make a small commission off that code. So if you choose to use that code, then you will be helping me out, which I greatly appreciate. However, of course, don't ever feel obligated to use the coupon code. I'll leave the link in the description box below if you're interested in getting any of the products that I talk about today, or if you're interested in just browsing their selection of K-beauty. So thank you, Stylevana, for sending me these products and allowing me to share my honest review. Without further ado, let's begin. I have some by me products here in front of me, and these are from their AHA, BHA, PHA, or Bha Pha 30 Days Miracle Acne line. This line focuses heavily on combating acne breakouts. Definitely not a line that I would use like on the daily because I don't struggle with acne on a daily basis. It's very hormonal and pretty much when I get my period. I have dry to normal skin. We're getting into the colder, drier months, so my skin has been more on that dry side. I don't normally use AHAs, PHAs, or BHAs every single day. However, some by me is saying that it is okay to use their line every single day on the daily. My personal thoughts are, if you have like normal to dry skin, I definitely don't recommend using this every day of the month. My skin could not take a whole 30 days. However, this line really did help me when I was going through my hormonal acne. So for me, there's a time and a place for this skincare line. It's definitely not the whole month. However, I would use it for like maybe a week. So I feel like if you are a teen and you struggle through a lot of acne and breakouts, or if you have adult acne and you're looking for something that can help, then I definitely recommend checking out this brand and seeing if it works for you. The products contain AHA to refine the skin texture and increase skin's firmness, BHA or salicylic acid to cleanse your pores, and PHA to moisturize your skin and remove dead skin cells without irritation. These products also contain Centella asiatica, which is an ingredient that helps to soothe and calm the skin. I'm going to start off by talking about their Miracle Acne Clear Foam. So this cleanser helps to clean the pores thoroughly without giving irritation to the skin. You are able to get a really good lather. I wouldn't say that this cleanser removes makeup, so I would definitely go in with an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm first and then in with this product. So after washing and rinsing my face, I immediately noticed that there is a strong peppermint smell. If you don't like that smell, or if you don't like peppermint in your products, then I would definitely just stay away from this line. So overall, for the foam cleanser, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. I felt like it did its job, but I took 1 point off because it felt drying on my skin. Of course, it's more for acne prone / oily skin. I took 1 point off because although I don't mind the peppermint smell, I prefer it not be in the products. So the next product is the Some by Me Miracle Cleansing Bar. This I just used to massage my face, and I just used the whole bar. So this product to me was quite interesting. As I was massaging it into my skin, it came out with a nice foam and lather. It made my skin feel very clean. However, it's just kind of weird because I'm not used to using a bar soap for my face. So overall, I give the cleansing bar a 3 out of 5. It's just not a product that I feel like I would be repurchasing. I felt like the product itself was really good, but the delivery system just isn't my cup of tea. So the next product is the Sun by Me Miracle Toner. And this contains AHA, BHA, PHA, and niacinamide 2%. It's a low pH toner. This has a watery, non-sticky, light texture. And it does slightly smell of peppermint. I noticed that this helped with my dry, flaky skin. Of course, it also helped with my acne. I don't get the acne where I break out all over. I just get like a few in different areas. And so what I did was I held a cotton pad over my problem areas and pat it down a little bit more than the other areas of my face. I did really like this toner, so because of that, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. Definitely a toner that I would repurchase to use during the time of the month that I get my hormonal acne. So the next product is the Sun by Me Miracle Serum. This product works as an exfoliator to leave the skin clear and more radiant, helps clean out your pores, brighten and moisturize. It contains tea tree leaf water to soothe the skin, plant oil complex to moisturize, centella extract to fortify the skin barrier. It actually contains an optimized oil and water ratio to maintain the oil-water balance and prevent moisture in the skin from leaving with vegetable oil and natural essence. So because of that, then you want to make sure that you shake up the product so then the oil and the essence can be nice and mixed in together. This is definitely a different type of consistency than a typical serum I'm used to. It has a very liquidy consistency, as you can see. The serum just drops down. However, it does feel nice and moisturizing without feeling greasy or sticky. And this one to me doesn't smell like peppermint. It smells more like your traditional Centella asiatica. It kind of smells kind of like citrus. So I actually really enjoyed this serum and see myself repurchasing it. So I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. So next is the Sun by Me Miracle Cream, and this helps to strengthen the skin barrier, helps to repair the skin and calm the skin with the 70% natural Centella asiatica. This has a really nice like gel to cream consistency. It's also nice and moisturizing as well, and very soothing to the skin. This too has that peppermint scent to it, so if you don't like that, then I definitely would say stay clear. However, if you don't mind it and if you actually enjoy it, then you might really like this product. I did feel like it was quite hydrating, so out of 5, I'm gonna give it 4 out of 5. I love that it was hydrating and moisturizing, but I'm taking 1 point out because, again, although I don't mind the peppermint smell, I wish it wasn't there. So definitely if you're interested, and if you didn't want to purchase the full sizes just yet, I would definitely recommend getting their Miracle Starter Kit, which I received. If you have acne prone skin and you haven't found anything to help your acne yet, I definitely recommend giving the Miracle Starter Kit a try and seeing for yourself if these products will work for you. So I hope you found this review helpful. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Also, follow me on my other socials. I am at Padee Tina Kong. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next from me. I hope to see you in my next video. And as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!